Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in Marvel's credit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.portal.marbles.com/marbles/login. So this will lead you to the login page of the Portal Marvels credit card, and here all you need to do to get logged in is simply type in your username. However, if you have not created an account, you can simply tap on not yet registered for online account manager and get signed in into your account. Although to log in, after you type in the username, simply press on the next button and you will get logged in into your Marbles credit card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.